Hi everyone. In the Biology for Engineers lecture series, in this lecture I am going to discuss about the cell theory. So understanding the cell theory and its classifications, foundations of the biological science. So basically we know that in the first video, characteristic of living organisms, the cell is the basic unit of life and all the living organisms composed of one or more number of cells. So cell theory is a fundamental principle in biological science that describes the property and the functions of the cell. It states that all the living organisms are made up of one or more cells, which are the basic unit of life we already discussed. The understanding the theory is crucial for the studying the biology and the diversity of life. So in the cell theory, we discuss some of the historical background. The development of cell theory began in the 17th century with the pioneers like Robert Koch and the Anton Leeuwenhoek. So their discoveries laid the groundwork for the understanding the cellular structure, cellular organisms and the functions that leads to the formulation of core principles of cell theory in the 19th century. So these are the core principles of cell theory. The cell theory is built on three main principles. The first one is all living organisms are composed of the cells. Second one is the cell is the basic unit of life and all the cells that arise from the pre-existing cells. That means the pre-existing generation. These principles unify all the biological sciences and emphasize the importance of cellular organisms. So these three are the cell theory, main cell theory and core principles of cell theory. Then comes under the classification of cell. Cells are classified into two main categories. One is prokaryotic and another one is eukaryotic. So prokaryotic cells, the nucleus are generally smaller, while eukaryotic cells have a defined nucleus and organelles. So in a prokaryotic cell, there is a fake nucleus. So understanding this classification is essential for studying the cellular functions and the evolution. So the prokaryotic cells, for example, bacteria, algae are simple in structure and lack membrane-bound organelles. They reproduce through the binary fission and play the critical roles in various ecosystems, that including the nutrient cycle and the biodegradation. Their simplicity allows for rapid adoption and the evaluation. Eukaryotic cells are more complex in size as well as it has a more complex mechanisms containing a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. They can be unicellular or multicellular and include the plant, animal and fungus, and some of the protists are the examples of eukaryotic cells. Their complexity allows for specialized functions and the greater adaptability in the various environments. Cells perform the essential functions such as metabolism, energy production and the reproduction. So understanding these functions is crucial for exploring how the organisms grow, develop and respond to their environment. So cellular processes are interconnected and vital for the maintaining the life. Cell division is the process by which a parent cell divides into the two or more daughter cells. This can occur through a mitosis, so for growth and repair, or meiosis for the reproduction. So the cell division occurs through the meiosis, it's for the growth and repair, or meiosis is for the reproduction process. So understanding that these processes is fundamental genetics and the development of biology. The cell communicates through a various signaling mechanisms that allowing them to coordinate the activities and respond to their environment. This cell signaling is crucial for the process such as immune response, growth and development, emphasizing the importance of the cellular interaction. The applications of cell theory have the significant applications. This principle has the significant applications in the field such as medicine, biotechnology and the environmental science. So advances in cellular research contribute to the development of treatments for the diseases, genetic engineering and understanding the ecological system. So these are the medicines, biotechnology and environmental sciences, and treatment for diseases, genetic engineering, understanding ecological systems are the applications area of cell theory. The future of the cell theory research, the future of cell research holds the existing possibilities that including advancement in stem cell therapy, regenerative medicine and the synthetic biology. The continued exploration of cellular mechanisms will further enhance the our understanding of life and lead to innovative solutions for the global challenges. So in conclusion, in this lecture, cell theory provides a fundamental understanding of biological science. By recognizing the significance of cell and their functions, we can appreciate the complexity of life and the interconnectedness of all the living organisms. So continued research in this area is essential for future scientific advancements. So in the next video series, we will discuss about the plant system, animal system, and biomolecules and genes and chromosomes. So thank you for watching.